Hi, grade 1. Today I resume unit 5 in your book, New English Syllabus book. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. This video for grade 1, Egyptian syllabus, Egyptian new syllabus, grade 1, unit 5, lesson 3 and lesson 4. Let's go to our lesson today. In this unit, in this lesson, we learn from how to write numbers from 6 to 10 by numbers and by letters. Let's know this together. Let's learn this together. Here is written 6 written like this: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we ask about when you have a question about numbers, what we can say? We say how many. So here it will be how many cows can you see? I can see. I say I can see 6 cows. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it will be 6. I can write 6 as it is, and I can write 6 also like this. Okay. So 6 can written as this or as this. Okay. Because I would like to something from grade 1. We are in English language, so we iterate with letters, not in numbers. So we can write numbers in write numbers in letters like this. Let's go to another one here. How many ducks can we see? Can you see? We have. I can count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 written like this in numbers and 7 written like this in letters. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, how many horses can you see? I can see 8 horses. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be here 8 horses. When we talk about something, or I would like to say how many things are there, or can what is the can say the numbers of things? We say count. We say here the verb count. Count the cats. So we can count the cats together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we write 9 as it is, and we write it in numbers, in letters like this. This is called 9. Here we have 10 birds. I can write it as it is. Can write 10 birds as it is. I can write 1 monkey as it is. So here I can write 1. And don't put S to the singular noun. Let's go to another item here. Here is the dialogue. Let's read it together. Let's count. So the dialogue is about let's count. That is a lot of animals. So this dialogue is between, or this conversation between Sarah and Tamer. Sarah, hi Tamer. Tamer, hi Sarah. Sarah, how many horses can you see? So here, Sarah here asked about the horses in the farm. I can see 7 horses. Sarah, let's count the duck. So the duck. So here, Sarah. Tamer asked Sarah, or saying to Sarah that we can count the ducks. It will say Tamer saying, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be here 9 ducks. Tamer, that is a lot of animals. Counting farm animals is fun. Here we have some vocab. Let's read together some new vocab here in this part. Let's know it. We have here 6, we have here 7, 8. This is the numbers, 9 and 10. Okay, let's match. Let's do this exercise together. 6. I can count 6 here, so I select the suitable number by the suitable picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it will be this now number, this 6 by number 6. This one. So I can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I select this by 9 here. 1, 2. Here is beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I select this one by this 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be here in box. Erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be here 7 erasers. This is 7. Let's go to another one here. There are 1 or 10 beds. So here, some of you saying, Miss Iman, what can we know the select number that they take? If we have S to the noun, so I can count more than 1. Okay, if you don't have S, so I can't number 1 because it's singular. Let's do this exercise together. There are space. Here we have there are, so this plural. Can I select one? No, it will be here 10. Their space is or are, here is 1. 1 is singular, so I select is. You are clever people. I have space dogs. Dogs, here we have S, so I select 7. Count the space. Dog or dogs, count the dogs. I can see here 8. I can see 8 horses. Let's go to another one here. There are 6 dogs. Where is the 6 dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I select this one by this one. I see 9 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be here 9 birds. I have 7 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be here 7 cats. I select this one. So I leave this to count it and do it by yourself. Let's go to another item of the questions that we know, which is subject plus verb plus object. All of us saying, Miss Iman, we are bored from this rule. I know that you are bored, and I'm bored with like you, but we must write it to answer to answer this question in the correct way. And as we know that, I repeat a million times, that the subject can be what? Can be a pronoun or can be noun. Means we say, when we say Mona is beautiful, or we can say Mona plays games, for example. So we can say Mona, and I omit Mona by she, or I omit Ahmad by he. So here is called the noun or pronoun. Let's do this exercise to this. Here it will be here. There is one horse. It will be here. There is the subject. Here is the verb. There is one horse. So I would like to omit this one. To omit this thing, I would like to delete it before I answer the question. So now we know the rule. So I answer this question. So it will be your subject. There is verb. There is what? There is one horse here. There is one horse. So I can do it like this. Okay. I answer one of two of them, and I will leave the last one to do it by yourself. Here we say I have 7 hens. I have 7 hens. 7 hens. Okay. I have here 7 hens. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, here is we have the words that I write it in the correct way. Here it will be here 7. It will be here 7. It will be here 10. Okay. And I leave the one in the middle to do it by yourself. It's 8, and I will leave it to do it by yourself. So in this question, we must keep the vocab to answer this question. Okay, in the missing letters and in the scrambles or order of the word, we must keep the words. Let's go to the last lesson here. It will be here lesson and repeat. Here we have on letter. It will be here letter O. Let's know the words that related to this letter. Here it will be here on, olive, octopus, octopus, ostrich. I will repeat and repeat after me. On, olive, ostrich, octopus. Here we have capital O and small o. Here is capital O and small o. Here we have capital O and small o. Let's continue the rest of the unit of the lesson. Okay, this is how to write the capital O and small o. So after I end from the video, I will leave you the link of this book below the video to download it and trace these letters by yourself. Okay, if we have any difficulties, you can send it to me to the channel, and I answer the question and I reply the questions that we send it to me. Okay, here we have fox, here we have letter F. So here in this part we learn capital O and small o. Here we learn also capital F and small f, and know how to write capital F and small f. Here is capital F and small f, capital O and small o. Here we have fox, fish, four, frog, فين فين. let's repeat it together. Fox, fox, fox. Fish, fish, fish. Four, four, four. Frog, frog, frog. Fan, fan, fan. Here is capital F and small f. Let's continue. Let's go to another one. Here we have, let's read these words together. Let's read the vocab together. Here we have ostrich. Here is ostrich, octopus, ostrich, octopus. Four, frog. I will repeat a bit after me. Ostrich, octopus, four, and frog. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is fan. Which one is fan? I select this one by this one. Fish, this one by this one. Fox, this one by this one. On, which one is on? This one by this one. Octopus, this one by this one. Let's do this exercise together. Here is, what is this? It's four. So it started by what? By letter F. Ostrich started by letter O. The frog started by letter F. Olive started by letter O. I will leave this to do it by yourself. You are clever to do this by yourself. Let's go. Let's review the unit and do the general exercise on this unit. Okay. Here we have parents. Parents. So here we talk about the animals in the farm, and we say this is called parents. Parents as the parents in humans. You have parents in animals also. Here's have parents, 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 cow, duck. Parents, cow, and duck. Six, chicken. Six, chicken. Horse. I will repeat after me. Parents, parents, parents. Cow, duck. Six, chicken. There is CH is pronounced as sh. We say like chair, like chicken. Children. So here we have CH pronounced as sh. As we know, as we can see, you can look up in the dictionary and see. You can look up at the dictionary and see the pronunciation of CH. It will be here chicken and horse. Here is we say 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is we have the words that started by letter M and letter G. To be here, letter M like what? Mango, 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 moon, milk. We have here mango, milk, and moon. Mango, milk, and moon. Here we have letter D. Here is we have capital D, G, not so here we have G as pronounced as D. Like we say gloves, gloves, grapes, 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 girl, girl, girl. Here is the capital G and small g, not D. Here we say girl, gloves, and grapes. Here we say language function. Here we talk about, look at the cow. The cow is big. We talk here about the about the adjective. We say the cow is big. The monkey is small. Or we say the lion is strong, and so on. Okay. Here is the practice on unit 5. Let's do it together. Here is cow. Which one is cow? Here, there's this one. Dog, this one. Horse, this one. Let's go to another one. Here, look at the picture and say the words. Here it will be hen. Here it will be hen or chicken. I think it's not hen, chicken, because we know here. No, it will be not hen. It will be chicken. Say here chicken. It's wrong. It will be here chicken, milk, grapes, and 10. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say true or false. Is it horse? No, it's not horse. It will be what? Dog. This is number 6. Yes. This is small. No, it's not small. Pig. 4. Yes. It's cow. No, it's not cow. I think it's horse or ox. And I know this is, but this is not cow. Not another animal. Not cow. Here is a mouse. Yes, this one. Here we say count the cat. Count the cat with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write 5 like this. Can write 5 like this. Can write here 5 like this, and write it in numbers like this. Here we say horses. It will be here 2 horses. 2 horses. We say here 2 horses like this, or can say there is 2 horses, or we can say 2 as it is. Okay, 2 horses. Here we say read these pairs. It will be here on, in, frog, dog, mouse, house. So here we say house, the last two letters is the same, like mouse and house. Dog, frog and dog, the last two letters is the same as it is. Here is a letter N and letter N in and on. Okay, so here we have the two letters, the two person letters at the end of the word. Let's continue the rest of the lesson, of the exercise here. Here we have, let's do this exercise. Here is a matching. Cow, which one is cow here? This one by this one. Frog, this one by this one. Grapes, this one by this one. Frog, this one by this one. Horse, this one by this one. Let's go to the elephant. Is what? Is it small or big, or to be here big? How many space can you see? How many frogs? I have a space horse. Horse without S, so I select one. The B is small. The duck is a space is a space farm, is a farm animal. Farm animal. I will leave this to count and do it by yourself. Let's go to another exercise here. Here we say, is it ostrich or not? Yes, it's no. It's say here not ostrich, octopus. So here it will be wrong. Why? Because it's ostrich, not octopus. Here you have chicken. So yes, dog. Yes, I write here. Cow. No, it's not cow. It's horse. So what can I do this exercise? As we know, subject plus verb plus object. I answer two of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. It will be here. The cow is the subject. I can write it here. The cow. Here is the subject. Where is the verb? Is big. The cow is big. I can do it. I can do a kind of question as statement and another one as a question. When we make a question, I replace what? I replace the verb in instead of subject. Like this one to be can. Here is the subject. Here is the verb. Can you? I replace the verb in instead of subject. It will be here. To be a verb. Subject. Can you count the dogs? It will be here. Can you count the dogs? Can you count the dogs? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to put, don't forget to put the question mark if we have a question form in the you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence if we have a question form. If you forget, if you have a question and you forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence, it will be minus half mark direct. Okay, you must take care when you answer in the exam and concentrate when you're answering every question in the exam test, because every item in the exam it will have a mark in. Okay, so must take care when you answer. Here it will be, can you count the dogs? Let's go to another item here. Here we say, what is the missing letter here? It will be here M. The missing letter here, it will be gloves, G. Here is ostrich, letter O. Here we say, there is a space elephant. There is one elephant. Why one? Because don't have S. The elephant is base, what is big, okay? So next class, so now we end from unit 5. Next class, I will start unit 6, the last unit in your book, and I will make a review on the assignment book. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.